In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates in Pipedrive. If you're sending similar emails again and again, templates will save you time and keep your messaging consistent. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few quick tips so your templates are clear, easy to find, and ready to use. Start by opening your sales inbox. On the left sidebar, click the mail icon to jump into your email workspace inside Pipedrive. This is where you'll draft and manage messages without leaving your CRM. Next, click New Email. You'll see a Compose window open. Here, write the email you want to turn into a reusable template. Add a concise subject line and type your message in the body. Think of this as your ideal version. Clear, evergreen, and flexible enough to use across multiple contexts and situations. If you often personalize greetings or deal details, you can add gentle cues like brackets to remind yourself what to customize before sending. For example, a placeholder for a first name or a product line. At the top of the Compose window, click Choose Template. Even though you don't have a template yet, this is exactly where you'll create one from your draft. From the menu that appears, select Save Draft as a template. This tells Pipedrive to take the subject and body you just wrote and store them so you can reuse them in future emails. You'll be asked for a few details. Give your template a clear, memorable name, something you and your team can recognize quickly, like a short label that reflects the purpose or stage in your pipeline. Then choose the visibility setting. Pick Private if you want only you to use it, or select Shared if you want your team to have access. Shared is great for standard outreach, handoffs, or follow-ups that everyone should send the same way. When everything looks good, click the green Save button. Your template is now stored and ready to go. To use your template later, start a new email, click Choose Template at the top, and select the one you just saved. The subject and body will populate instantly. Give it a quick read to personalize any placeholders, confirm names and details, and you're ready to send with confidence. And that's it. You've created a clean, consistent email template in Pipedrive that you can reuse anytime. Thanks for watching and happy sending!